FiTV's free video on demand enables you to binge watch previously aired TV shows and movies. For a selection of available TV shows, choose Shows, then Browse All. Select the icon of the show you'd like to watch and then choose View All Episodes. Click on any of the available episodes to begin watching. For available on-demand movies, choose Movies. Scroll down to find the type of movie, then scroll to the right to view a list of available titles within that category. To watch on-demand content on the go, log into your FiTV account on a streaming device. Then choose Shows or Movies, just like you were watching at home. Keep in mind, each device watching FiTV through your account, whether at home or away from home, is using a stream. We're always here to help. Call 423-648-1372 anytime, day or night.